I'm Dr. Archana Pillai from the Institute of Management Technology, Hyderabad. We're bringing to you this evening a production from our theatre group called Navrang. Navrang is a very young group that we created to encourage theatre enthusiasm on campus. And you're going to see Waiting for Godot, which is a play, which is an absurd comedy written in 1948. So we thought of bringing this adaptation and bringing in the play because it talks about the human mind, talks about man's relentless quest for meaning in what he's doing and purpose, and this kind of puts in perspective how what he's looking for. Now, with that in mind, we put the script in place, and we have about 5 people who are acting, 5 of our first year students who are acting. The play is directed by Sudeep Brahmachari, who is one of our senior students and one of the founding members of Navrang. Other than this, we have done this is our first attempt at bringing the play to a theatre audience in Hyderabad. We've done this activity on campus a lot in front of other troops, but the first time that we're here, and we're hoping to get a good response. We've done more than 4 plays already in campus, and we've also presented a couple of such events in front of foreign university teams on our campus. We encourage theatre a lot because it helps students understand, appreciate art, literature, and we've done classics like Julius Caesar and Macbeth, and of course we've done comedy, Dvorakov, and a couple of other things. We're currently in the process of working on street plays and things like that so that our students can enjoy and bring in a social element. So we thank you for coming here and encouraging our students, and I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.